lived all by myself, far from the public scene, contemplative, covert, bucolic and serene, unwilling to give up the high ransom of fame, sleeping on my laurels just like a swaddled babe. The people who know best helped me to understand that I still owed a debt unto the common man, and under pain of failure and obscurity, I had to publicly air my dirty laundry. Oh, trumpets of fortune and fame, your song is a hard one to play. Ignoring even the most basic modesty, must I, to fan the flames of crass publicity, divulge identities and exact positions of those with whom I dive into fornication? If I publish the names, will these Penelopes instantly be recast as hardcore libertines? How many faithful friends will give me evil stares? How many shotgun blasts will I be forced to bear? Oh, trumpets of fortune and fame, your song is a hard one to play. I shun even the most discreet exhibition, my modesty assumes neurotic proportions. I choose to show my reproductive organs to no one besides my wife and a doctor or two. Must I, to satisfy the hungry scandal sheet, beat the drums with my genitals out on the street and ostentatiously display them to the crowd, just like the choir boys holding the holy shroud? Oh, trumpets of fortune and fame, your song is a hard one to play. A woman of the world who lets me come and go as often as I please through her noble abode, pass cunningly to me upon her silk divan, a nasty parasite of lowest echelon. Under pretext of hype, of clamoring for fame, do I have any right to tarnish her good name by shouting from the rooftops and the taxi cabs, Madame the Marquise gave me a case of crabs? Oh, trumpets of fortune and fame, your song is a hard one to play. The sky be praised, I live in perfect harmony with Father Flanagan and all the singing priests. He is a pious man, I am an atheist. I hear him say amen while I say holy shit. Should I conspire to make it known unto the press that I surprised him at the knees of my mistress, intoning a sweet psalm in lisping undertones, while she was hunting lice in his hair with a comb? Oh, trumpets of fortune and fame, your song is a hard one to play. I wonder, holy cow, who do I have to fuck to make the goddess of 100 mouths speak up? Does a celebrity, a diva or a star have to jump in my arms and replace my guitar to bring excitement to the public and the hacks who let me do some push-ups on her lower back, who let me do some hiking dressed like a nudist, some mountaineering upon her mound of Venus? Oh, trumpets of fortune and fame, your song is a hard one to play. Would these trumpets divine more gloriously sound if I was slightly queer like everyone around? If I pranced all about like a mademoiselle and suddenly took on the airs of a gazelle? But I'm not sure there's any profit, truth be told, in playing love's charade by reversing the roles. I doubt it adds an ounce of gold to my renown. The crime of pederasty no longer astounds. Oh, trumpets of fortune and fame, your song is a hard one to play. After this whirlwind tour of countless recipes designed to find my place in the gossip magazines, I'd rather stick to my first method all along. I'd rather scratch my belly and keep singing songs, for if the people ask, I'll sing them hearty har. But If they don't, I'll put them back in my guitar, unwilling to give up the high ransom of fame. I sleep on my laurels just like a swaddled babe. Oh, trumpets of fortune and fame, your song is a hard one to play.